Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the headphones and car controls to play the next or previous chapter or skip forward or back within the audiobook on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on books. Next, in here, scroll down and go to the external controls section. Now in here you can set it to next or previous, or skip forward or back. So headphones and car controls can be used to play the next or previous chapter or skip forward or back within the audiobook. So you can choose when you press on the button it goes next or the previous chapter, or to skip forward or backward. And that's it. Select one of the options and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.